YMCA. We're heading towards Salisbury Road here. YMCA to our left. The grayish brick building there. Got the Hong Kong Cultural Center coming up ahead of us. Kind of a pinkish brick building. We've walked by there many times in the evening with a spectacular view of the Victoria Harbour and the Hong Kong Island skyline. So just to the right here, you see Heritage 1881 in TST. It used to be a luxury shopping destination. It's owned and operated by Li Ka-shing. Originally, it's redevelopment by Li Ka-shing. It used to be a historic Marine Police headquarters, and now just take a look at how empty it is. Things are boarded up. There is construction going on, but it used to have 30 retail units here. There's also a hotel. I think the hotel is operating, but according to Bloomberg, there's only 3 of these units that are leased out. So they used to have Cartier and Tiffany here, but now it's pretty much empty. Pretty sad. Like it's just so deserted. There's no traffic whatsoever here, and like the decorations, the flowers, and all that, they look great, but there's just no traffic here. So it's just a sign of the times. The development is right across from the Hong Kong Cultural Centers here in Tsim Sha Tsui, so it's prime real estate. You can see even the sidewalks aren't very busy. So the sidewalks aren't busy, the mall is dead and deserted. There's just no pedestrian traffic here. It's a sign of the times, unfortunately. It's hitting China as well, and hitting China pretty bad. All the windows here at this development are boarded up, so